When Socrates says, "The only thing I know is that I know nothing," he is not saying he is ignorant or stupid. He is saying that he is aware of how limited human knowledge is. Most people believe they know many things and speak with confidence, but they often don't question their beliefs. Socrates, on the other hand, understood that the more he learned, the more he realized how much he did not know. The quote teaches that people who think they know everything stop learning, while people who admit they don't know remain open to learning and truth. By accepting his ignorance, Socrates was actually wiser than those who claimed certainty without understanding. In simple words, the quote means, being wise is not about having all the answers, but about knowing your limits and staying curious.